Hey guys, good morning back. So, in order to continuation with my previous video yesterday, you can see like clearly how strongly the price action of Bitcoin broke this my triangle, right? This ascending triangle. You can see this was very forcefully pressured, and if you had bought the long position here, you had like chances for at least like 300 points. So either it could go up or it could go down. So I predicted like it could go in within a 1 or 2 days. So it went very fastly this time, and the pressure on which it broke this triangle, it is a very clear bullish signal, and you can see the price action clearly broke all the three MAs of my chart, like 18 MA, 50, and 27 on the 4 hour chart. So it currently it's broke on 4 hour chart. If you see the 1 hour, yeah, on 1 hour also it clearly it broke since it broke on 4 hours. So let's see at one day. So on one day, it this is the triangle, right? So on one day, it need to break this red orange line and this green line. So if it is able to probe this successfully on this one day chart, because from okay, let me tell you one thing. Yeah, so last time the price action broke all these three chart on one day on 17 February, exactly 8 February when the Bitcoin got bottom. So immediately after 8, that price action immediately, like after just 1 week of after 8, it's just 1 week. So after 1 week, it immediately broke this all the three lines, and from that, when it was $3714, right? You can see, yeah, 3714, right here. So $3714. So on the 18th of February 2019, it was 16th February. It was like 373685 or 37 whatever. So from that level, it came. It took like February, March, April, May, June, July, August, right? Yeah, so it touched 13,000 approximately in the 25 June, and then again it consolidated for 2 months. So now again, guys, this is the great time for the bullish momentum, and this video will be you can see in the past, in the future, whenever you want in the future, and you can like always remember about this video, that how important this video and how important this correction was in order to be remain in a bullish order. So no worries, you don't have to see either any chart or any pattern. This is a very perfect pattern which was like perfectly proven by himself, by the price action of the Bitcoin, and hopefully it could maintain the price action. So if this time after 18 February, when the first time it broke all the three lines in the very solid manner, you can see like the volume and everything, like how from 3.7 it directly go to 4.236 within like 15 days. So if this kind of volume will be continue here on the 19th August 2019, then hopefully probably uh, we can see a very good momentum. So first it has to break this line. You can see this is my resistance like 10910, right? Let me close down. So yeah, so this is like 10934. So this is the first reject. Like first resistance is actually this one, this orange line. It has to cross this one, and then the second is 1092, and then finally this green line. So if it is able to cross all the three lines, and of course definitely on the bigger, on the one day chart, it has to close by this ascending triangle, right? So which Bitcoin already crossed on 4 hour and 1 hour and like 7 hours, 6 hours, whatever you want, right? So this this is the one day chart. You can see like one day, so it has to break on the one day chart, and then if it is able to break this one, so if it is able to break this chart in one day, then hopefully probably you can say it is like bullish momentum like 18 February, right? So first the price action crossed the green line, then white line, and then orange line, right? Here you can see it took like around some 15 days. So hopefully just wait for like 1 week or 2 weeks. Maybe it can consolidate because this is a huge rejection. And that's why I told you like, right, that this is our on daily, this is our triangle. This is our major triangle, right? So this has to break this level up. So and you can see like this ascending triangle is exactly aligning on my orange line and green line, right? So it has to like very cross very forcefully manner to all the both lines. Then only we can show that okay the momentum is very bullish and it could able to retain the price, right? So I'm very sure because August month of 2019 is the biggest evidence of the recession, which is gonna happen soon. And you can see like you can see in 2020 the all like in the origination of 2020 in the start of 2020 the whole market is going to crash, and which is starting from the August month. So that's why silver prices and gold prices are like raising like anything. The stock market is about to crash. All the global markets are about to crash. Indian market is already under crash. Global market is already under crash. So and politically imbalanced situation in the worldwide currently. So it's all these indicators are clearly proving that we are under a huge bullish momentum pressure for the Bitcoin. So guys, just be patient. We have to very calm, and maybe it can take like around 1 2 month to cross this level, this 12,900 level, maybe like some 2 months. So if it is able to cross this, then hopefully like around like September or October or like this, right? Maybe, yeah, maybe like September end. By that time, we are able to cross this level, and it could be a huge. So this is the time to collect bitcoins, to invest heavily in the precious metals like gold, silver, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a modern precious metal for the millennial generations, those who born after 1980s. So just remember, guys, this is a very crucial moment, and you are gonna get movement only after like some 15 years as of now, because this kind of recession is not gonna happen at least for 15-20 years next. And this is the biggest wealth transfer of history. Like this kind of wealth transfer happened earlier in 1929, and this is 2019, exactly like more than like 90 years. So just take advantage for this recession and get some wealth. Thank you so much.